We have been learning grammar on this channel, but today's lesson is focused on spelling mistakes. We have 20 words here that are commonly misspelled by English students. Even the most advanced students spell these words wrongly. In each sentence, we will identify the word that is wrongly spelled, and I will correct it and teach you how to remember the spelling anytime you want to write the word, okay? By the end of this video, you will not spell any of these 20 words wrongly again. Now let's start. She wrote on a separate paper. Which word is wrongly spelled here? Separate. What is wrong here is this. The E is not supposed to be there. Instead, it should be A. So the correct spelling is, always remember, sep. A. Then rate. Okay, separate. When you remember this, you will know that E shouldn't be here. Instead, it should be this A. Okay, next. I will definitely call you tomorrow. Which word is wrongly spelled here? Definitely. A is not supposed to be there. Instead, it should be I. So the correct spelling is, from the word definite, you get definitely. So never make the mistake of putting A here. It should be I. Okay? Next, it is a great privilege to meet you. The wrongly spelled word here is privilege. Here is what is wrong. D. It shouldn't be there. The correct spelling of privilege is, so never add a D when spelling privilege, okay? Next, we booked our accommodation online. The wrongly spelled word here is accommodation. Can you identify what is wrong? Something is omitted. Now, this is the correct spelling. We have 2 C's and 2 M's in accommodation. You can see that here. So always remember this. It will help you to write accommodation correctly. Okay? Next, write your answer on a foolscap sheet. Every other thing here is correct apart from this, foolscap. This is not how to spell it. Can you identify what is wrong? You may think it is the R. Yes, R is wrong, but that is not the only thing. This part is also wrong. Now look at the correct spelling. Can you see that? Instead of this fool, this is what we use for foolscap. Then no R. So always remember fool plus scap. Fool plus cap gives you foolscap and not this, okay? Next, it is necessary to wear a helmet. What is wrong here? Here is it. When spelling necessary, always remember that it has 1 C and 2 S. Okay? So this is a correct spelling. 1 C, 2 S. Next, don't embarrass my friends. This is wrong. Embarrass has 2 R's and 2 S. Always use this to remember the spelling. Now let's spell it correctly. Okay? Next, she started a small business. This is absolutely wrong. I shouldn't be here. Think of the word busy. So when spelling business, immediately after the BU, what follows is S and I. This Y changes to I, then ness. So the correct spelling is business. Next, We had dinner at a famous restaurant. Dinner is correct, famous is correct, but restaurant is wrong. Something is omitted here. Let's look at the correct spelling. Can you see that? So what was missing? The A. Always remember AU instead of just you, okay? Next, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Tomorrow is wrongly spelled here. Do you know what is wrong? Here we have two M's and two R's. When spelling tomorrow, ensure that you have just one M and two R's. Okay, so the correct spelling is tomorrow, one M, two R's. Always remember this, okay? Next, it was a special occasion for the family. This is not correct. What do you think is wrong here? S should be only one. When spelling occasion, we have two C's and one S. Okay, so the correct spelling is occasion. Next, the government announced a new policy. Announced is correct. Policy is correct, but this is wrong. Something is missing in this word. When spelling government, always remember that it comes from the word govern. Then meant is added to it. So the correct spelling is, so always remember your N when spelling this word. Next, always avoid unnecessary argument. Unnecessary is correct. Remember we said when spelling necessary, you have one C and two S. So this is correct. What is wrong here is argument. The word argument comes from argue. This is a verb, but when using it as a noun, which is argument, this E disappears. So the correct spelling of argument is, can you see that? Argue, argument, no E. Next, she speaks two foreign languages. Languages is correct, speaks is correct, but this is wrong. This is not how we spell foreign. What is wrong here is between I and E. This is it. Foreign. So always remember to put E before I when spelling this word, okay? Next, we should protect the environment. The word environment is wrongly spelled. What you spell first here is environ, then ment. So always include N when spelling environment, okay? Next, your pronunciation has improved. This word has something that is not supposed to be there. When it is the verb, we have pronounce. But when changing it to a noun, O shouldn't be there. So the correct spelling is, the word is actually pronunciation, not pronunciation. The reason is because this U does not sound O when transcribed. Rather, it sounds A. This is the sound. So it is pronunciation, not pronunciation. Okay? Next, check your calendar for the meeting date. This is not how we spell calendar. It shouldn't be ER. The correct spelling is AR. So always remember to use A instead of E when spelling calendar, okay? Next, regular exercise is good for your health. What is wrongly spelled here is exercise. Many people make the mistake of including C here. It is wrong. It shouldn't be here. So the correct spelling is, we have only one C. in exercise, not two. Okay, so don't put C here and C here. It's only one. Always remember this, okay? Next, the car needs regular maintenance. This is one word that is always difficult for students to spell correctly. The verb form of it is maintain. But when writing the noun form, which is maintenance, this AI will not be there. So the correct form of writing maintenance is maintenance. Next, which is the last, constant repetition helps you remember new words. What is wrong here is this word, repetition. Can you identify what is wrong here? So remember that repetition has only two I's, not three. Okay? Instead of I here, use E. If you learned something new in this video, please type yes in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next class.